Growing up, we have all heard of a so-called matrix where everything is controlled and you really have no free will because it is just one big simulation. Some believe in a matrix, some don't. Some believe that it is a good thing, some to stay stuck in the matrix, while others oppose this thinking. In a clip from the movie The Matrix, we see Cypher state that ignorance is bliss, and that it is easier to just go along with the matrix and not fight it. I disagree with this statement, and I'll explain why. I agree with him on the fact that it is easy to just be ignorant as to what is really going on, and not to question anything. But I disagree with this thinking, and more so agree with Peter Unger, where he thinks that we should care about breaking the matrix. I agree with him because everyone should be able to think for themselves and determine their own path and success. If there is a so-called matrix, what if the simulation has something horrible in store for you? It's up to you to care about changing that outcome any way possible and not to just go with the flow. Think about how a life where everything was determined for you and everything you did was really for nothing because there was already a predetermined outcome. That would be pretty pointless and tiring in my opinion. This is why I agree more so with Unger rather than agreeing with Cypher, and that you should try to break the matrix rather than being content and staying ignorant as to what is really going on, just because it's the easier way to go.